I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by addressing the setup that causes a low hook, your strong grip and forward ball position. Loosen the grip slightly by rotating both hands 10-20 degrees toward the target. This reduces excessive club face closure. Once done, shift the ball back 5 inches from extreme inside of left heel and raise the tee to mid-face level. Make one slow half swing focusing on neutral wrist hinge, so you feel less early roll and a more square face at impact. Next, change the dynamic elements that produce a low hook, swing path, and face control. Make a conscious shallow, neutral path. Visualize swinging along a 6 to 9 plane rather than steep inside out. At the same time, rehearse squaring the club face through impact by feeling a delayed release. Imagine holding the face slightly open until after impact. Use an alignment stick on the ground to train path alignment, and take 10 slow swings focusing on the feel of the club head, traveling slightly out to into neutral, not excessively into out. Finish by refining tempo and release. Smooth the transition, avoid early acceleration that forces an early roll. Commit to a full finish where you feel balanced and the hands release after the ball, which encourages a higher, straighter flight. Practice 20-30 reps combining new setup and path cues, gradually increasing speed. If results don't improve, check equipment. Excessive low loft or stiff shaft can worsen hooks, or get a short coach session or launch monitor reading as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.